Habits are just meaningless. I used to chase after each one. Meditation, dead after 3 days. Journaling, a sad notebook with 10 pages. Cold showers, pointless. I thought I was lazy. But truth, I was just fighting against my brain. Here's what finally clicked. Your brain doesn't love habits, it loves patterns, it loves systems. So I stopped waiting for the perfect moment to read. Instead of wasting my time while commuting, I read. Tiny shifts compounded. So in 3 months, I read 3 books. This is not record-breaking for sure, but a personal win. Blank pages killed my journaling. Not knowing where to start, I always felt lost. Then I realized my brain resists decisions, not writing. So I built a simple daily note system. I capture, I connect, and then I go to the next step. Fill in the blanks, no overthinking. Even the gym became simpler. Show up, stretch if I don't feel like it. Then let momentum decide. 80% of the time, I lift. 20%, I just walk. Either way is a win. Systems beat willpower. Always. That's when I realized my brain was not enough to hold it all. I needed a second brain. Here's how it works. Capture. Anytime I get an idea, I dump it in one place. It could be meetings, books, random thoughts, instantly linked to my projects. Doesn't matter where I write it. It's all automatically organized in the background. Tasks and bugs. Scattered to-dos from 100 notes? No worries. They show up in one trusted view. No guessing, no forgetting. Dashboards and queries. Zoom out. See all of my projects. Zoom in. See exactly what's due today. Everything talks to each other. Daily and weekly notes. Every day I set the tone. Track objectives. Reflect. Every week, I connect that reflection back to my projects. No thought left behind. Knowledge graph. A graphic map of my mind. Projects, tasks, ideas, research, all connected. I finally see how everything fits together. Before, I just felt lost, overwhelmed, possessed by my phone, frustrated at never sticking to anything. Now, I finish projects. I turn information into action. I build clarity, momentum, and meaning. Not because I forced habits, but because I built a system that runs in the background. Hey, if you're tired of starting over, if you want a map of your own mind, this is for you. I've put together a starter kit that shows exactly how to build your own second brain. And if you want me to guide you personally, I would love to hop on a quick call. This is the system that finally works with you. So habits and discipline are meaningless without direction, without a system. Keep in mind.